It's warm, it's muggy. It's the 4th of July weekend. You expect it to be, and we finally got back to that again. Now, if you enjoyed that drier, more comfortable air earlier in the week, that's not coming back anytime soon, so hopefully you get outside at some point. One of the biggest problems, though, is how dry it has been. A beautiful sunrise this morning through our Lexington Financial Center live camera. This cold front will start to turn around that dry weather as it drops south. It's going to help spark showers and storms. Today, there's a severe threat, pretty minimal, a thin marginal risk along the frontal boundary. Tomorrow, it drops south and is right here in the Commonwealth. So a few of the storms that fire Saturday and really even into this afternoon, any one of them could be slow movers. Throw some briefly stronger wind gusts our way and just locally heavy rain, some torrential rain from some of them because they're not going to be moving all that much with that front stalled out, especially tomorrow. And then by Sunday, it's on either side of us. So it has been incredibly dry. You don't need me to tell you that. Just go out and look at your grass. 39% of your 30 days of normal rainfall in Danville. That's how dry it is. There's only just one thin sliver across northern Kentucky that's in decent shape there. And Lexington has had less than a half an inch of rain in the last 22 days. So 3 weeks with less than half an inch of rain. No surprise, yesterday morning, the U.S. Drought Monitor put out the update, and that moderate drought has expanded, that kind of tannish color there. From Lexington south and west, and then the yellow is an indication of abnormally dry conditions, the first stage of drought there. So as it goes, it tends to accelerate because you just continue to dry out and it's so difficult to get rain rolling. Now, we've got about a daily chance for showers and storms. The pattern's shifting up. That ridge of high pressure that kept things quiet and dry for days going away. We'll see scattered showers and storms this afternoon, very hit or miss, but this cold front drops south. It'll be the focus between that and daytime heating for more substantial coverage, showers and storms. Now, we may have some drier air cutting in on the northern edge of this, which will limit it across northern Kentucky Saturday. But overall, with that boundary still hanging around and then gradually bubbling north, Saturday afternoon and then again Sunday morning, you've got additional waves coming in. Now, it's difficult to time these waves with this front kind of hung up there, but still. That's ongoing shower and storm chances that we've got coming for the weekend, and that means we could see anywhere between 1/10 of an inch upwards of an inch or more of rain over the next few days and early next week. 77 degrees in Lexington. It's warm. It is humid. We've got dew points in the upper 60s to low 70s. That muggy air still entrenched here. You can see the drier air cutting in behind that frontal boundary into northern Kentucky. It doesn't really make that much in the way of inroads. So even by Monday, the 4th of July, you can still see, especially as that warm front heads north, we're just, stuck in the soup, the higher humidity and the heat. Our average high is 87. We'll get down to that Sunday. That's when those showers and storms, that Saturday evening through Sunday time frame will be the most likely. And then Monday, the storm chance starts to drop off, which is good news for the 4th of July. But it's still going to be on the hot and muggy side. We'll likely be Monday doing what we're doing today. Highs near 90 with some scattered showers and thunder showers this afternoon. And then overnight we'll drop down to the 70s. Tomorrow, showers and storms likely, especially later in the afternoon and evening. Those will diminish, could have around Sunday morning into the afternoon. Now that warm front is out of here and heading north Monday. So we actually have our lowest chance for showers and storms on the 4th of July, which is good news as far as the parade and the fireworks go. Daily chance for showers, storms, highs consistently upper 80s to low 90s the rest of the 8th day.